Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 1 hour and 15 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count, and basically you can use two different options to check some further details. Firstly, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. After tapping on the specific day, you will have the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And if you will decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can set the limit for it. So for example, for the gallery in my case, just tap on this hourglass icon, and now you can set the limit. So for example, for 2 hours, and your device will limit the usage of the app. Let's go back, and the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, if you see that you're spending too much time on the settings, you can check the time. So let's simply tap on this app, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Let's go back, and I also wanted to draw attention to ways to disconnect. So to this section where you can set some kind of limits and modes which will allow you to focus. So for example, the focus mode. Here we can set the schedule. First of all, we have to select distracting apps. So for example, if you're receiving a lot of notifications from a specific app, you can find it here and then mark it. So let's pretend I have the notifications from Chrome, from AliExpress, and maybe Drive. So just mark specific apps. It could be social media or whatever is distracting in your case, and then tap on set a schedule. Now you can choose specific days of the week. So for example, Monday to Friday, or only Friday. It's totally up to you, and you can freely choose the start and the end time. And your device, after tapping on set, will of course set a schedule, apply the focus mode, and during that time, during the schedule, it will simply turn off and hide the notifications from distracting apps. So you will be able to focus on different activities, like for example work, or whilst going to sleep you won't be disturbed, or you will be able to focus at school. It's totally up to you how you want to use it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.